You want to know what's going on here in the local Southern Oregon real estate market, not New York, LA, or Texas, right? It's current and local information that's going to help you make the best decisions about buying or selling in Southern Oregon or even moving to Southern Oregon. And that's exactly what you're going to get on this video right here and the rest of the videos on this channel. Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of the Southern Oregon real estate market. Today is December 13th, and I will be delving deep into the question on everybody's mind, which is, should you expect a boom or a bust coming up in Southern Oregon? And that's exactly what I'm going to dive into in this video so that you are well equipped to make the best decisions about buying or selling in Medford or Grants Pass or Ashland or the rest of beautiful Southern Oregon. Hey, I'm Brian Simmons. I'm a licensed real estate agent with eXp Realty here in Southern Oregon, and I would love to hear from you. So please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions that you have about the Southern Oregon real estate market. Drop a comment down below or reach out to me with the call or text directly at 541-954-7758. Or if you prefer to email, that's fine too. My email address is down in the description of this video. So I know you're just dying to hear the comprehensive analysis on whether to expect a boom or a bust. So let's go ahead and cut right to the chase and get right into it, okay? So the real estate market in Southern Oregon has seen significant growth in recent years, attracting both first-time home buyers and seasoned investors for good reason, okay? Over the last 5 years alone, the median sold price across Jackson and Josephine counties for single-family residential homes has increased about 53% from $340,000 in November of 2018 to $517,000 in November of 2023, okay? So if you bought a home at that median price point, you would have enjoyed about $35,000 per year in appreciation of your home, which is building wealth on top of the normal income that you already earn. And that is pretty cool. There are many factors contributing to this surge, like the region's natural beauty and outdoor activities, which have drawn people in from all over looking for a really nice balanced lifestyle. And the lower cost of living is another great benefit that attracts people from neighboring states as well. So those types of benefits create a very strong demand for homes in Southern Oregon cities like Medford and Grants Pass and Ashland and Jacksonville and Rogue River and Central Point and on and on and on. Okay, however, it is important to note that the market has seen some fluctuations over the recent years as well. Okay, so while we've seen this big steady upward trend in the median sold price, there have been some hints of a potential slowdown as we saw mortgage rates go from 3% all the way up to 8%. Okay, and the result of that was pretty substantial in terms of a slowdown in the number of homes being sold, which went down about 65% from the peak in 2020 to the bottom in January of 2023. Some experts will argue that that cooling may be a necessary correction after all that rapid appreciation that we've seen in the past, okay? And others believe that it could be a sign of just a shifting market dynamic and concerns of the overall economy. But what's relatively unique to the Southern Oregon real estate market is that the inventory levels have remained pretty tight, leading to steady competition amongst buyers, okay? So when you take that type of a situation into account and you add in the fact that mortgage interest rates have been declining over the last couple months and are projecting to continue to decline as we approach the busiest season of the year, which is the spring season, okay? So is the Southern Oregon real estate market heading for a boom or a bust in the future? Well, if mortgage rates do what they are projected to do and continue to decline into the 6% and possibly even into the 5% again, then there should be a lot of buyers who were waiting out those higher rates in the 8% range, waiting that out for something more affordable, and they will probably be jumping back in, okay? Pair that with the low inventory, and you have a classic supply and demand conundrum called a shortage. And when you have a shortage, the result is that prices go up, okay? Another consideration to be aware of is the population trends, right? And Southern Oregon has experienced steady population growth in recent years and is projected to continue at about 1% per year net gain in population, which bodes well for the real estate market's long-term sustainability. And you pair that with the lack of new homes being built, and that further exacerbates that supply and demand issue, okay? And while home prices have increased over the years in Southern Oregon, it still offers more affordable options compared to many other areas, making it a very attractive destination for people moving, seeking, lower cost of living and those sorts of things. So in conclusion, while there may be signs of a potential slowdown, the Southern Oregon real estate market still holds promise for both buyers and investors. And for that reason, I'm saying that a boom is in the future. But understanding the key indicators and staying informed will be a crucial step in navigating this dynamic landscape. So I really encourage you to click on that subscribe button so that you can stay informed and catch these updates that I do every single week as I continue to provide a comprehensive analysis of the Southern Oregon real estate market. And speaking of that, let me share with you exactly what has happened in the last week across both Jackson and Josephine counties for single-family residential homes, okay? As of this morning, again, it's December 13th, 2023, we had 996 active single-family residential listings on the market, 61 new in the last week, 81 price changes, 22 back on the market, 66 went pending, 58 closed, and 43 expired, withdrawn, or canceled. So inventory continues to trickle down. We finally cracked under that 1,000 unit mark. Pending sales increased quite a bit, actually, after a slow week last week, and new listings continue to be very, very stable with nearly the same number as we had just a week ago. As I mentioned, if you'd like to stay informed on the local real estate market here in Southern Oregon, I really suggest you click on that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Again, I'm Brian Simmons. I'm a licensed real estate agent here in Southern Oregon with eXp Realty, and I would love to hear from you. So if there's anything I can do to help you learn, buy, or list real estate here in Southern Oregon, don't hesitate to reach out to me directly at my number, 541-954-7758. You can call or text me there. Or if you prefer to email, you can just find my email address down in the description of this video. And of course, you can always drop a comment in the comment section down below. So I thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.